Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial is going to be a very simple one. We're going to use the capo. So if you are familiar with the open chords that we did, the C, G, D, A, E, and even the A minor, D minor, E minor, all those chords, even the F. Yeah, sometimes you just don't have to slide if all of your progressions are in that same way, or maybe you just want to stick to maybe from here to here and you don't want to go further here. Mostly when you are playing acoustic, it's advisable, if you have a capo, it's easier so that you don't hurt yourself. It's easier on the lead guitar than an acoustic guitar. So let's study how to use the capo. So the capo, just like the keyboard, is used to transpose. So if I have C here, I want to play C just as C is when I come here. I don't want to do bad because it's painful with time, because there's a lot of stress that goes on here. So I don't want to feel those pains. Well, then I'll just put the capo. There's a capo, just like a peg. I'm going to peg it such that it presses it well. I think it sounds okay. Well, let me see if I can make it better. Okay, so this is C sharp. It's the same as this. So that's how to use the capo. So if you are playing G, that's why I think I would advise anyone to learn in all the other shapes. You don't have to be comfortable with just playing in the G shape, like G, C, D all the time. What if the person that is singing is playing in C? So I think in G, C somewhere. C somewhere. So I'm going to put the capo here. Let's look at it. So this is how you're going to play your C all the time. Imagine because over here the vibrations will end quickly, and it's like you're playing the higher octave all the time. And the same thing applies to A. So since that one was C, so this one will be D. So I advise that you learn all the others. So just like where you are using the capo for G, you put the capo on where that note is. So if I want to play in F, or maybe let me come here. Did I say G? G sharp. Let me check something. G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Okay, so C is actually here. Really? Yeah, so that's actually C. Sorry. that means that if you want to play something like F, you have to come here. So that was actually F, not C. Why did I do that? Okay, so that's it for the capos. Yeah, so if you want to play in the G shape, make sure that you put the capo where you find the G, that note on the third string. And for the C shape, put it before that note on the second string. So this is F. So that's it. So the same thing applies to the A. So just like the G, just move 2 steps forward. So this one will be D. Thank you for watching this video this far. So this is just for the capo, how to use the capo. I hope it was helpful, and leave in the comment section if you have any question and any clarification. Thank you. Give a like, share to a friend, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you.